We're going to be looking at our third Uriel Balya book today, on Tobar. And Tobar means the well. Okay? And you see a lot of place names in Ireland, you see Tobar. Yeah, right. So Tobar is Tobar from Irish. And so it's taken a lot of times, it says Tobar in English when the names are anglicized. Okay? And again, this is a learner's book, so it has a little, about a quarter of the book here is a little glossary of the words that are in it. So it's kind of simplified vocabulary, simplified sentences. This is the last of his books we're going to be using. It's another not happy story, okay? So we don't get to the really bad parts of it and what we're doing yet. But it's actually better than, I think, the other two of his.
How did another one end?
Huh?
How did another one end?
Oh, I haven't told you. If you want to get plot spoilers, I'll tell you. If you want to get me aside, I can give you plot spoilers. Or if you want to, let's see. Yeah, since you guys are all, those of you who come regularly, let's see. If you come regularly to the class, I might be willing to let you borrow one, but I know where to find you and all that. So.
Do they have ponies for those? Just read the English and get to the end fast.
Yeah, no. Yeah. Or if you're interested, let me know. I maybe can get you copies of pieces of it since it's pretty hard to get the books. And if you want to try reading some on your own, I'll give it to you in installments. Okay. Anyways. Yeah, I encourage you, if any of the books that all sound interesting, try to get a hold of one and try reading through it. Sean just got the Harry Potter books. So it's a good one to try to do. Okay. Anyways, let's get into our text here. So we're going to go sentence by sentence and then try to figure out how much we know of it, okay? So, first of all, Karev Me'arer. Yeah. Okay. And since Bob, since you know this stuff pretty well, I'm going to do is I'm going to have you read and have everyone else try to figure it out, okay? So you want to read?
I thought we were supposed to translate as you went.
Yeah, I know, it's a little easier. Yeah. You're a little ahead of the group. So why don't you read number 2 for us? Okay, so everyone else, what does it mean? Oh,
he was singing.
He was singing.
Talking.
Talking.
Yeah. So you actually cannot
Talking to
translate.
himself.
Okay. All right. All right. So number 3. Yeah. Yeah, it should be. To be out of Rishta. Thought I corrected that. Okay. So, everyone else try to tell me. So, what do we have here?
Pants.
Okay, pants is Rishta.
Chair.
Chair, kahir.
Beside the bed.
Beside the bed, Akalash lava.
Esau.
They actually close. Look. Okay. All right. It's good for now. Okay. Number 4.
They are a tree, a plug, and wadin shin.
Okay.
Was it also something beside the chair?
What's it? Yeah.
Bird.
Huh?
Seagulls.
No.
Tuppence under the chair.
Yeah.
Fallen under the chair.
Yeah. It's
I'm tomorrow, right?
Amach is out. Yeah. Amarach is tomorrow. Close. Looks similar. Any other words you guys know?
3 o'clock.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That's something about the morning.
Morning. Okay. All right.
Lem she asalava.
Bed.
Should have you read alternating, huh?
Yeah.
I think that's a good idea.
And they were in the bed?
Huh?
And they were in the bed?
Bed is in lava.
Hebrew.
Lamsha. Guys alternate. Okay, so go ahead and do number 6.
Vishasta punt again.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
were 60 pounds
I
there
had-
last night.
I had 60 pounds last night.
Yeah. Okay. Heather's turn. Number 7.
Jake sé a fotí go tapa.
Okay. So everyone except Heather and Bob.
He looked in his pocket.
Think about a sea
I
lion,
think he took a girl home and she robbed him or something.
a sea lion,
Huh?
a sea lion or a
Um,
seal.
There's a roan as a seal.
He looked in his
I looked
pocket
in the
Yeah.
pocket.
and
Go tap.
it was
It's
empty.
empty.
Yeah,
No.
we'll get that. Okay, we'll get there. Number 8, Bob.
Ní ra bhíon Aragadán.
Okay.
There was no money there.
Okay. Number 9, Heather.
Hui sé go dí an chasóg na bhí ar an urlar.
Okay.
Floor.
Okay. Marlar.
There was something was on the floor.
Okay.
He saw something on it? No.
Cliche. Cliche.
Understood.
Quite. Cliche. Okay, we'll get to there. We're gonna do hui. So, okay. Number 10, Bob.
Chuir sé a lá isteach an nach tucha.
Something
Put
about
his hand
went
inside
his
each
pocket.
pocket.
Yeah. Number 11, Heather.
Níor hánig sé ar an rud.
There was nothing.
Didn't come, didn't,
You
Yeah.
don't understand?
He didn't come for one thing.
You didn't know?
Yeah, it's actually anything. Yeah. Okay, we'll explain that when we get to it. 12. Was that one?
Lá raibh mé a
Bob,
réir.
okay.
There was a.
or was I?
Okay, we got there. 13, Heather.
Bhí sé cinse go bhfuil sé seaca punt ar ag an dóling.
Something about
He was sure.
somebody
Didn't-
drinking
didn't
something.
drink.
It's not,
Pounds worth.
huh?
Money, punt?
It looks like drink, yeah. Yeah, punt is money, right? Pound. Huh? Yeah, that's like an English, that's an English word also. Yeah, dole.
Yesterday.
Okay, yesterday. Okay.
He was indeed something? He was indeed.
A little different.
Talking,
Same idea, but yeah.
okay.
Okay, we'll get there. Yeah, I'm not gonna translate them yet because I'm gonna struggle through them first and figure out how many words you can figure out. Okay, 14, Bob.
Chuir sé isteach scríobh sé a aigim ar an líne agus chud an cailín an targad dó.
Something about
He went inside, wrote his
name on the line and something about a
Colleen.
girl and money.
And put
The
his-
money,
Yeah,
The girl took the money?
not quite.
gave the money?
Yeah,
Gave
yeah.
the money.
They gave
Okay.
the girl the money.
Yeah, okay. 15, is it?
Sí a nua Jake punt.
A new 10-pound.
10-pound
Close. Yeah.
shilling.
No, actually, the 10-pound note part is correct. Okay,
Is.
okay, we'll get to that.
Isn't it?
Okay, 16, Bob.
Ach, cáin neachí sé ansan.
But
But what
something,
was he
something.
doing there?
Ah, what?
But
Kanyachi, Kanyachi. No. Okay, we'll get to that.
This guy needs to lay off the drink.
17. He's actually a good character. Relatively. Yeah. 17, Heather.
Bhí sé go raibh sé caiint le King go luas lá ach an ní raibh is é gé cad a rinne sé ina dhé sin.
Okay. So.
he knew,
Mhm.
yeah.
He was talking.
No, he was,
Early in the day,
Mhm.
But he doesn't know what somebody
What he
did.
done.
there.
what he done, did.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, we don't know the other piece.
It
We'll
was so
get to it.
good.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. 18, Bob.
Bháil leis rud aigim na ithe mar ní raibh íon rud ag a fád.
He wants
Good
something
Better
Sunday.
within
to eat.
Eat.
something to eat.
Amorag, anything?
The ferry?
Eat the fairy.
No fairies. No fairies.
Mars because.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Long, long days, no, long days.
Peggy, how did they, no, law, no law. Right.
Okay. Father. Okay. Long. Okay. We'll get to it. Okay. 19, Heather.
Vishe nish doyeg cloaks a terminalagas, vishe feheward of jeshe bedi.
Something about 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock, right?
12 o'clock.
So, yeah, 12 o'clock.
Noon.
In the afternoon.
Mm-hmm.